Guys, today I'm going to be doing a productive day in my life. Okay, it is a lot later now. Last time you guys saw me doing something was me doing schoolwork, and then I had to go to a family dinner with my grandparents and stuff, and now I'm back home. I'm going to force myself to get a video edited tonight that needs to go up tomorrow, so then I'm not stuck doing it tomorrow. And I don't think it'll take me that long to edit it because it's a very straightforward video. There's not much to edit in it. So I'm hoping it doesn't take too long. And then yeah, so today was really just schoolwork and it's really just a focus on schoolwork and getting this video done. And yeah, tomorrow will be a much more productive kind of day. I'll be cleaning my room, cleaning my bathroom, packing, and doing a lot of that stuff. What else? I made a list earlier. I did not show that, however, so I'm gonna go through the main things. I need to clean my room, clean the bathroom, edit this video, make sure it gets up, and then I need to clean out my cat's litter box and get all of her stuff ready for my grandpa to take care of while I'm gone. And then I need to pack, like I said, and then I need to transfer all video footage from this video onto my MacBook so I can edit it while we are driving to where we're going. I'll tell you guys a little bit about that because I haven't done that yet. So if you guys watched one of my vlogs in May of last year, you know me and my mom bought tickets to go see Billie Eilish, and so it is finally here, which is so weird. But yeah, so we're making a little trip out of it because it is in Alabama, which is not where I live. I live in the Midwest, and so it is quite a drive down there, so we have to take a whole day just to drive there. We're gonna stay in an Airbnb. By the time you guys are seeing this video, we will not be there anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the Airbnb that we are staying at.
Reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back.
Okay, so yeah, that is our Airbnb. I'm so excited to stay in it. And we found some cool food places that we're gonna eat at and stuff like that. Good morning, guys. For some reason, I went to bed super late last night. Well, not super late. It was just 12, but that's late for me. But I got up at 7. I got out of bed at 8. Actually, that's a lie. I still haven't gotten out of bed, but I am doing something productive. I'm getting this video done because last night, instead of editing the video, I went to bed. So look how cute she is. But anyways, yeah, so I knew this video wouldn't take me that long to cut through. The part that's more time consuming is adding all the special effects and stuff, so I'm gonna start on that part of it, but really that probably won't take me that long either. Okay, now that the video is uploading, I'm so happy. because it's only 9:20 now and I still have like the whole morning to do like get ready for the day and stuff like that before I start like cleaning my room and stuff. So yeah, that just makes me feel a lot better. Anyways, so now that I have that done, I'm gonna do my regular morning stuff. I'm going to get dressed, take a shower, make some breakfast. I don't know what I'm gonna have yet. Okay guys, I just got ready. I put makeup on and yeah, I need to finish getting a video up. It's already uploaded. I just need to make the thumbnail and finish the description. So that is what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna go make lunch, and then I'm going to start cleaning my room and packing and cleaning the bathroom. So yeah, I just feel so powerful with the red lipstick on. I don't know, I think I'm gonna wear this to the concert. I don't know, I feel like it might get annoying if I'm like eating or drinking something, but like for pictures and stuff it'll be nice. It is later now, I ate lunch and my video is uploaded, so now I'm going to start cleaning my room before Jenna gets here, and I'm going to put on some Billie Eilish, of course, to get in the mood for Tuesday. I'm going to start by cleaning up all this over here. Okay, I finished cleaning my room for the most part. I need to clean out my cat's litter box and take out my trash, which are my next task to do, so that's what I'm going to do now. It is much later. Jenna is now at my house. My room is clean and I cleaned the bathroom. I have not packed yet, which is kind of bad because we leave tomorrow morning, but I will do that. I'm kind of a late minute packer. Comment down below which you are, if you're like prepared or if you're like a last minute person. Clean my room, clean the bathroom, clean out a litter box. Still have these two things left to do, but I'm so excited. I'll probably pack on camera, but that'll probably be like the end of the video. So get excited for Sunday's video because it's gonna be a good one. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this bag as my like clothing bag. I don't know, we'll see how much I can fit in it, and if I can fit like my car things in there too, I definitely will. So first we're gonna pack an outfit for the day that we're there, like the full day. So I have these pants that are gonna go in. I have a few different outfit options, so I'm gonna take two of them and just pick whichever one I feel best in that day. I am gonna pick between these two. If I wear the dress, it's a black dress, I can either wear like this green flannel over it or this flannel over it, and I have no idea which one, so we're gonna set them there. This is a top that I'm gonna pack to go with my other outfit. Now where is, oh, here's the dress. This is the dress that I said I was gonna wear, so we pack that. I need to ask Jenna which one she thinks I should wear. I kind of am leaning towards this one because I could also wear this one with the other outfit that I had picked out. And if you want to see the outfit, go to my TikTok. It's probably up there. And by the time you're seeing this video, I might have it on Instagram too. And I have this pair of leggings for the car ride home. And we'll wear this t-shirt with that. Also, I'm showing stuff in here. Got deodorant and some perfume. I'm gonna bring this bag with like some extra stuff in it. Maybe I'll put my makeup in here. I've got earrings in here. I'm gonna pack my makeup real quick. Okay, it's all successfully packed in here. So we'll go ahead and put that in. I have my brush and a hair straightener and two ponytails, but I'm gonna put those in here. Now honestly, I'm probably just gonna bring this. I'll pack this tomorrow for my pajamas, so yeah. And then I just have my toothbrush and toothpaste and face wash and moisturizer, and honestly I think that's pretty much it because we're not staying that long. And I have like my MacBook and extra stuff, but I think that's pretty much all for like clothing, you know. That's kind of my little pack with me, and I think that is going to be the end of today's video. It was kind of all over the place, kind of forgot to film a lot of it, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.